What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As always, this is Chris with Wall Street PR, and this is not financial advice, nor my financial advisor. Be sure to do your own research before investing in anything said in this video, guys. But with that said, let's get right into the video. Over here on the 180-day, 4-hour time frame, I do have X Group Inc. pulled up. Their ticker symbol is AXXA. And as you guys can see, they are down pretty dramatically from previous highs over here of 17.9 cents a share back on about the 17th of February. You can see since then they have sold off, and this actually was part of a heightened volume short squeeze, as you can see indicated by these blue bars in the background. They did have some hype and attention because they did have a relatively high amount of short interest. But ever since then they have cooled down, they have retraced to all these EMAs, and they are at the moment sitting just below this orange line right here, which is the 200-day EMA, and they do look like a pretty solid investment here with some pretty strong support levels just under where they are now. You can also see the RSI is relatively low, sitting at about 41.95, and the MACD is looking pretty bullish here as well. But before we get into the TA and technical analysis of Exxe Group, I want to pull up what they are, guys. They buy and manage and develop real estate, and they also do have a tech side and things like that, and they do offer a few services. You can take a look over here at some of their recent news. You can see they did acquire a furniture manufacturer and interior design agency known as daskonzept Group, AG. As you guys can see over here, their premier Swiss-based furniture manufacturer and interior design agency with 11.4 million in assets, 4 million in revenue, and their expected revenue for 2021 is sitting at 5.5 million. So obviously that's great news there as well. If we take a look at some of their recent news regarding revenue and things like that, this is going to be an older dated article from February 23rd of 2021 for their data on December 31st of 2020. You can see the revenues did surpass their 8.2 million expectations. They currently were 9.3 million. The 9.3 revenue increase is 103% gain from the 4.6 million revenue in 2020. And they did have a record 23.7 revenue generated in the first 9 months of 2021. So overall, guys, just great news. They did raise estimates and guidance for future quarters and years to come. But if we take a look back over here at the charts, guys, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on this current time frame. You can see, like I said, we have gapped down in a pretty strong and steady sell-off these past few days, making them a pretty attractive investment right about here, because you can see they do have a minor support line right about here with a few touch points, and over here as well in the recent days. I do think that this is a good support line to buy off of, and if they do break below that, you could really average down your position pretty heavily, right about down here at about 0.0385 cents. That's when I would add heavily. I would start your position right now at this support line. If they fall through even lower, this is where you average down even more down here at 0.0385. If you take a look at the bigger picture even more, guys, over here on the 1 year, 1 day time frame, you can see pretty much the same thing. The RSI is sitting relatively neutral at the moment at 42.93. The MACD has crossed downwards, which is a bearish sign, and you can see that indicated with this sell-off right here. We have retraced down to this 200-day EMA, which is also acting as support at about 0.048%. Cents, excuse me. So that's another level to look out for, guys. But overall, like I said, I would be buying right here between the support line and this 200-day EMA, because they do have a lot of long-term potential, as well as some short squeeze potential as well. And we are seeing that in some other stocks like GameStop and AMC. So this could be a short squeeze play as well. But with that said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next one.